Good morning. In today's video, we will continue with the chapter My Childhood. So this is an extract that is taken from his autobiography Wings of Fire, where he speaks of his childhood. So in the previous video, we read that he has decided, when the teacher invited him again for the dinner, so that time he was quite hesitant. So he asked APJ Abdul Kalam not to be upset, and he just told him that if he has decided to change the system, if he has decided to go against the norms of the society, he has to be strong and brave, and he should know how to confront the situation. So today we will do the 10th and the 11th paragraph. Then the Second World War was over and India's freedom was imminent. Imminent is about to happen. Indians will build their own India, declared Gandhiji. The whole country was filled with an unprecedented optimism. Optimism is like hope, cheer, and unprecedented means that is never done or known before. So now in this, it is given that when the Second World War was over, and that was in the year 1945. So that was the time when it was people were quite sure that freedom, and it did happen also. India became independent, and it was in 1947 that India became independent. And it was Gandhiji who was known as the father of the nation. He did play an important part in the freedom of the country. So he did undergo a lot of struggle also, so that the country becomes independent. And it is that when the country, he said, Indians will build their own India. So now what he said was, he was quite sure that after the Second World War, India will get its freedom. It will be an independent country. And he said that when India will be independent, so that is the time when the Indians, they will build their own India. They will run the country as they want. And that was the time when the entire country, it was filled with hope, happiness, and people were quite optimistic that time. They were sure that India will attain its freedom. So everyone was experiencing that feeling, and it was that they have never felt before when the Britishers were ruling the country. So then this was the time when everybody was experiencing the feeling that India will become independent, and everyone was hoping that they will get the freedom and they will be independent. I asked my father for permission to leave Rameswaram and study at the district headquarters in Ramanathapuram. So now, in this it is given that APJ Abdul Kalam, he asked his father, he wanted to seek his permission to go to Ramanathapuram. And that is he wanted to go there for his higher studies. He told me as if thinking aloud, Abul, I know you have to go away to grow. Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone and without a nest? So now, in this, what he says is he wanted to take the permission of the father to go to Ramanathapuram for his higher studies. So what he did was, he talks about seagull. He gives an example of seagull, and seagull is a bird. So the father, he told him that he needs to go alone. He needs to move ahead. If he wants to move ahead in life, he needs to be away from Rameswaram. And then after that, so he gives an example of a seagull which flies in the sky all alone, and the seagull does not have a nest also. So this means that if he does not have a home of his own, when he moves out of Rameswaram, he goes to Ramanathapuram. So it means that even if he does not have a home of his own, then also he need to be there in that place. And like the seagull, it does not have a nest of its own, it does not have a home of its own, but it keeps on flying from one place to another. So if he wants to do something in life, he also has to move around. He quoted Khalil Gibran to my hesitant mother. Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. They come through you, but not for you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. So now, in this, longing means desire. So now, APJ's Abdul Kalam's mother, when she came to know that Abdul Kalam, he wanted to leave Rameswaram and he wanted to go out for his higher studies, and he wanted to go to Ramanathapuram for his higher studies. So the mother, she was quite upset that time. As it is, the mothers, they cannot bear separation from the children. So the mother could not, she did not want to send the son out. So she was quite upset. So APJ Abdul Kalam's father, what he did was, like the mother, she was quite adamant. She did not want to send the child out. So the father tried to calm her down, and what he did was, he did quote to the mother, he did tell her the famous lines from Khalil Gibran's famous poem titled Your Children. So now what he said was that your children are not your children, and they are the children of life. So it is the parents who should not think that they can rule the children. So they are a result of life's desire for itself, and have their own thoughts also. So he asked the mother of APJ Abdul Kalam to give freedom to APJ Abdul Kalam to fulfill his dreams. So the mother was somehow she was calmed by listening to these lines, and after that she was willing to send the child out for the higher studies.